Join me on this journey down the yarn aisles of Hobby Lobby in Northwest Indiana. Let's just take a look at some of the yarns that they have in stock right now. And it is the middle of August in 2023. And they have revamped the store since the last time I've been there. Here's some blanket yarn and some velvety yarn. And, you know, I haven't been here to Hobby Lobby in probably a year or two. I noticed they did downsize the yarn section a little bit. It's about 2 or 3 aisles less than it used to be. I mean, it used to go on for miles and miles, but there was still a lot of yarn available. And this is just so beautiful here. I love the chunky yarns. So let's just walk down the aisles together and take a look. Ooh, look at that dream spun yarn. Isn't that amazing? Look at the colors. Love it. And then there's some loopy yarn over there right next to it. I don't really use the loopy yarn. Do you? If so, let me know in the comments below if you do. And what do you make with it? I always see that at Ollie's. Blanket yarn. Let's turn the corner. And here we have some Yarn Bee True Colors yarn. And we're gonna just take a look at that real quick. And then let's go around the aisle and see what else they have around this corner. Now this is my favorite aisle because they carry I Love This yarn in this aisle, and I do love that yarn. It works up really nicely. And I really love their cotton yarn as well, but we haven't gotten to that yet. Stay tuned, and you can see what cotton yarn they had in stock at my Indiana Hobby Lobby. Here comes my favorite part of all of the pinks and the purples. Oh, these colors are just so vibrant and beautiful. They make me so happy. And here is the Sugar Wheel Cotton section. It doesn't really look like they have too many colors, but they do have some. And then here is the other cotton that they have, the Yarn Bee. And it was so nice that they had 30% off this week. And my favorite of all is the I Love This cotton. It works up so beautiful and it's so soft. One of my favorite yarns of all. And here is the baby section. They have so many yarns to choose from. Look at all of these beautiful pastels, and they're all so soft. And then here's some thicker baby blanket yarn. And then we have some more chunky yarns. And here is a small amount of sport weight yarn. Then we have some second chance yarn and also some soft secret. And here is the Yarn Bee Pearl Spun. A lot of different variations of color and the easy going. And then we have the Soft and Sleek line. These are great for fall, the Rustic Romantic. Ooh, those are pretty. And then some more Sugar Wheel yarns. Those are gorgeous. And then if we go around the corner, here is some scrubby yarn. Ooh, I love the Notions aisle. I have that sloth bag right there. I just love project bags. This is my favorite section, besides the yarn, of course. And here's some cute little yarn bowls. I love that one that looks like a teacup. Isn't that sweet? Here's some more yarn bowls. And I just love those little ceramic discs that you put in your cup holder in your car right there. Aren't they cute? Yarn is the bee's knees. I love those. Perfect for your car. And here we have our kitchen cotton and thread section. I really like the Crafter's Secret cotton, especially to make kitchen dishcloths and things like that. These macrame kits are really cute too. And then they have these adorable little amigurumi crochet kits that you can get. All different kinds. They're so cute. And then they also have the needle felting projects. That's a really fun thing to do too. If you haven't tried it, you might want to. So I ended up getting a ball of the Mint Charm Adorable because I wanted to make some little green frogs. My daughter wanted me to make some of my face scrubbies for her. Aren't these cute? And she picked up this yarn and I made a couple of them for her yesterday. Aren't they gorgeous? I will go ahead and link the pattern for those down below. And then I also got a little Sasquatch pendant set. There was 2 of them on here, but I put 1 on a necklace. So if you know me, you know I like Sasquatch. I'm intrigued by Bigfoot. So this is my little haul from Hobby Lobby, and I hope you enjoyed my trip. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.